Home maintenance tasks can be overwhelming. Some tasks need to be done monthly, some every 3 months, some every 6 months, and some annually. We break it all down so you can tackle it with ease. Follow our guide each month to help keep your home in top condition. Start by walking around your home and look for any cracks in the bricks, in the stucco, or look for any pools of water. Check everywhere for poor drainage. If your roof is not flat, or you have a high roof with no skylight access, get a drone. They are amazing, they're just so useful. You can zoom in, record, and capture much more detail than with the naked eye. Inspect the roof shingles, replace any that are missing. Look for any signs of leaking, check the flashing, check the caulking. Don't allow dirt to build up inside the gutters. This is one of the most common causes of flooding. Installing a cover will help with the leaves, but it will not stop debris from building up, so your gutters need to be cleaned out at least every 3 months. Check the downspout from your gutters. If it backs up, it can leave pooled water around the foundation of your home, which can then make its way back into the house. Look at the bottom of the downspout and make sure there are no pools of water. Cracks in the foundation have a huge negative snowballing effect. Contact a professional to determine the root cause. If you are in the New York area, call us. We'll take care of it. Don't attempt a chimney sweep yourself unless you really know what you're doing, but do clean out what's visible if you can make it onto your roof. Contact a professional to check your fireplace and chimney. Be sure to do this before you burn any wood on your fireplace if you have one. Clean out the lint from the dryer vent. Check your dryer vent cover hasn't blown away. Replace any broken parts. Exposed pipes will freeze in New York winters and can flood your home. Disconnect the hose, shut off the water, drain the pipe, and wrap the pipe. Every year in New York, Home Depot runs out of shovels. Ensure your basement is decluttered so that you can retrieve the shovel, salt, and sand from prior years. Check the caulking around windows and doors. The idea is to prevent or stop leaks early. Clean the filters on your air conditioner. If you have an AC that's exposed to the elements, the filters need to be cleaned out, the AC needs to be closed up, and then it needs to be covered up. Check your boilers and heating system is functioning properly. You don't want to experience a burst pipe in the middle of winter. It's important to have a professional check your boilers and heating system. Check the plumbing under the sinks for leaks in the kitchen and bathrooms. Check for loose fittings and tighten them. Vacuum the coils underneath and behind the refrigerator. Clean and defrost the inside of the fridge and freezer to keep them working efficiently. Inspect the tiled areas in the bathroom and kitchen. Look for any cracking and separation in the grouts. It could be a sign that water is getting behind the wall, so you'll need to touch it up and ensure that you have a nice tight seal. You can find a printable copy of this checklist on our blog. Look for the first blog entry of January 2020. After you print, check off the items as you go through the month. Subscribe on our YouTube channel for more great tips. On our next video, we will be sharing our interior checklist for your home. If you've taken down your holiday decorations and started to declutter, you are certainly on the right track. We are Natoda Construction. We renovate and remodel homes. Visit us at natodaconstruction.com.